Hello friends, today we are going to do the review of Samsung 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. We purchased this AC in April 2017 at a Samsung authorized outlet. The cost at the time of purchase was 44,500. We are using this AC for the past 4.5 years and no issues observed so far. The AC is working pretty good as it worked on day 1. We are using this AC for a room size of 14 feet by 12 feet. The AC cools the room within 10 to 15 minutes of switching on at the lowest temperature setting. The lowest temperature setting is too chill and we use this AC in between 24 to 28 degrees depending on the humidity. This AC came with a digital 8-pole inverter. It came with HT filter and anti-corrosion coating on condenser. The AC came with aluminum alloy condenser. The build quality of the AC is very good. The AC is white in color. There is a flower pattern on the top of the AC which looks good. Even the white color didn't change to light brown as that happens to most of the white color products when it ages. We can clean the filters easily by just removing the top panel. This AC comes with a remote which is quite handy. There are different modes that can be used in this AC and I shall show you the modes as well. We mostly use this AC in auto mode which is quite good. The selected temperature is displayed at the right bottom of the AC. The AC remote displays the selected temperature and other options such as mode, fan speed, swing, etc. There is a beep sound when the AC is switched on or off. There is a beep sound when any of the buttons are pressed on the AC remote. Now let me show you the different modes. Now it is in auto mode. Now I changed it to cool mode. I changed it to dry mode. You can see the temperature and the fan speed settings. Now it is in fan mode and it is in heat mode. So these are the modes in this AC. Now again it is in auto mode. You can see that it is at 20 degrees centigrade and the fan symbol, you can see the bars changing in the beside the fan symbol. So this is the swing. So if I press the swing, the remote it displays like that, and you can see that the swing action has started in the AC. So now let me stop the swing and show you. See, now we have stopped the swing and the swing icon on the remote is off, and you can see that the swing is stopped in the AC. So now again let's see. Yeah, now we have again switched on the swing and you can see that the swing icon has come on the remote and the AC swing is on. Let's change the fan speed. So in auto the fan speed is variable. Everything is in auto, so you cannot change the fan speed. Now I changed it to cool mode and you can see that the fan speed can be manually changed to whatever setting the user likes. And there is an auto setting even in the cool mode for the fan. So if you keep pressing the buttons, the up and down buttons, at a point it changes to auto mode. Now you can see these are the other modes. And now again it is in auto. In auto the fan speed is automatically set. The user cannot set the fan speed. So this is how the AC looks while it is in operation. So the swing is going on. The AC is quite good. It cools the room very fast. And now let me show you the display on the AC. So this is how it displays on the remote, and if you switch off, so this is how the AC switches off. This is how much time it takes to switch off, and this is the AC display. So let me show you by switching it on again and how the display is shown on the AC. So let's go ahead and switch it on. Yeah, I have switched it on and you see that the AC is on, and this is how the temperature is displayed on the AC unit. You can see a green LED which indicates that the AC is on and the temperature setting. Let me take you through the different settings and show you how it changes.
With this, the review has come to an end. Please like my video if you like my review. Please find the Amazon product link in the description. Please do post your queries as comments. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further interesting reviews, updates and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.